वेलकम टू valsquick tips and tricks cooking channel. सगळ्यांना तुमका येवकार माझे cooking channelaचे. So today I will show you how to make in a quick way all-purpose flour. So now you have heard many times people using all-purpose flour, and that is because it is included these two things. One is baking powder and one is baking soda. So this is 500 gram, that is half kg of maida, that is our white flour. Refined, I use always refined wheat flour. So what we need to make this all purpose flour, we need this of for this quantity 2 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so this is 2 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. So make it half teaspoon of baking soda. That's it. So this is what is all purpose flour is made of, and then we have to just mix this all nicely and keep aside. And whenever you want to make and don't want to add anything like baking soda and it becomes how much to use, what to use, then this is it. Just directly add to your batter this thing and it's done. So only see that you mix this all nicely. You can add a pinch of salt if you want, but it depends on what recipe you are making. So now this is nicely mixed. So here it is, our all purpose flour. So mostly UK or any Europe places, they don't use plain flour. They will use this all purpose flour, which these two things are already included. Okay,